In this sequence of videos, we're going to look at using Java to create new data types. You've probably used Java and you've probably used data types with them, and you may be familiar with them. Just in case you haven't, you've probably used Python, which from year 10, year 11, that's probably the only programming language you've used. And Python does not really deal with data types in the same way as Java. What do I mean by data types? Well, we can have different types of data. So that is a number. That is a string. I'm going to get lots of error messages through here. Don't worry too much about this. But hello is a string. It consists of characters. 2 is a number. I could have hello2, that again is a string. Other data types that I can have are true or false. In Python, that's fine. But Python really isn't very strongly data typed. And what I mean by that is if I set a variable like a equals 2, that's fine. I can just print out what a is, and it tells me 2, and then I can actually reassign a to be a string, hello, and print that out. So although there are data types, they're not very visible. They're not in your face at all, whereas in Java and other programming languages they have to be. They're called strongly typed languages. This Python is by inference, so it sort of looks at what's after the equal sign and decides what kind of data it's going to be. And we can check it out. So if I have another variable, b equals 2, so a equals hello, b equals 2, hello is a string, 2 is an integer, but if I try to join those together, if I try print a and b, then I get an error message, and it tells me here that I've got a string and an integer. So Python is sort of weakly typed. It's via inference. It infers from what's on the right hand side of the equal sign what the type of the data is going to be. This is a different case in Java and other languages where you have to declare the type before you even begin. So in the next video we're going to start looking at how to create a data type and why we need a data type in Java.